This is a second part of the windshield wiper installation. The first video shows you how to take it apart, but when putting it back together, there's some problems. Now, first of all, right under this bolt and this bolt is a foam washer, and it compresses very well down to practically nothing, but you still need to it just isn't hardly enough to be able to get this nut on and this nut on right here, especially this one. So you need to find some way to compress the motor under here up against it so you can hold between here and the motor. This is the problem. You have to push down on this plate really hard to be able to get these two to connect. And this one was just, I think it took me 30 or 40 minutes to push down hard enough. I didn't have a second person. If I did, I would have used a wood dowel to push right here, or something to push right here, maybe even put a large pipe clamp to put on here. One of the vice grips you use for welding. Might have been able to do it to clamp that down on this point so you could get that connection. But it is just really, really tough to do to get it back on, but it does work. It did go back on, and I believe those styrofoam washers are really necessary. The foam washers need to be there, so don't leave those out. Now, the second problem on these is this is a spline connection. This comes off, and then it goes on to a splined bolt and a very, very fine cogs in there. So you don't know, if you didn't mark exactly where it was when you took it off, you need to leave this loose so that you make sure that your windshield washer will not go too far one way, and to get it recentered right back where it needs to be. But don't bugger it up, because those things are really, really fine and would be easy to damage. So those are the two problems that I found in reinstallation, was the foam washer that goes right there, and then getting this centered to where it needs to be on that spline washer. So for now, I'm just going to leave it the way it is and tape it down, and then when I get set up, I will readjust it, take this off, and then reset to where it needs to be. Good luck.